What is green status on Cash App? If you've been seeing the green status trending everywhere on Cash App and you're wondering how you can be eligible for that, now Cash App Green is a premium benefits program for users who consistently use the app. To achieve the green status, you must meet one of the two requirements every month. That is that you must spend $500 or more in qualifying purchases using a Cash App card or Cash App Pay, or you must receive at least $300 in qualifying direct deposits. So one of these two criteria, if you meet each month, you'll be able to get the green status. Now some of the benefits for those with green status includes higher limits for the borrow feature, the higher available interest rate on your savings balance, up to $200 in free overdraft coverage on Cash App transactions, and many more. So these are some of the benefits and what Cash App Green means. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.